How do you do?
How do I do? I do.
So, how's life?
It's nice. How's yours?
Yeah, it's good. And I need your help, man.
Yeah,
Okay.
for God, sure.
My sisters, they're having a project in the school.
Oh,
So, I've suggested them to, take the topic of the revolt of 1857.
Oh, good topic.
Yeah.
Good
So, we all know that you are the expert in history and geography stuff.
No, not. It's not that. It's just I read books, so I know stuff.
Okay. So, will you be able to help them?
Sure, I'll give them any information they need on the revolt of 1857. I'd love to help.
Okay. So I'll let them know about it.
Yeah,
And you guys can meet up and you can talk about
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. The British introduced many expansionist and unjust policies to fulfill their intention of being a political power in India. They had done many such unjust activities that led to our frustration.
Yes, and I also recall the British looked upon the Indians as an inferior class and they were also being discriminated. Their economic policies also adversely affected the Indian society.
Yeah, the British literally exploited the economic resources of this country. There was a great inequality in treatment between the Indian and the British counterparts in terms of salary and other benefits.
Yes, there were many people who played a crucial role in the revolt of 1857. This is one of the greatest movements in the history of India. Under the circumstances which we have discussed earlier, people were already agitated. Now the British had made a big mistake whose consequences blew their mind.
Sir,
We are introducing a new weapon which is deadly and helps us in wars and battles. It is known as a rifle. A rifle is a firearm designed to be fired from the shoulder with a barrel that has a hevel groove cut into the barrel walls. The raised areas of a rifle are called lands, which make contact with the projectile, imparting spin around an axis corresponding to the orientation of the weapon. Now, Lieutenant Burke will explain how to load and fire this weapon.
okay, hear this part with great attention. Now this is a loaded rifle. The cartridges of the rifle are greased with cow and pig's fat. You have to bite the cartridge so that... Now give me an explanation for that expression.
Sir, Hindus do not eat cow, and it's against the Muslim laws to eat pig fat. So with all due respect, we shouldn't do this.
How dare you have the nerve to speak to me like that? Now I have to prosecute you for that. Obey my orders.
No, sir.
Don't even think about it, Pandey.
Even though he dies, he started the Great Revolt of 1857, uniting the Hindus and Muslims alike.
As the Indian Revolt of 1857 spread, sepoy regiments soon took over Delhi. Seeking a figure that would unite all Indians, Hindu and Muslim alike, I must propose a deal with all the remaining Indian kings and Indian regiments that I will become the Emperor of India, under whom all the smaller kingdoms will unite until we defeat the British. I would give the real command to Bakht Khan, who had led the revolt at Bareilly and brought the troops to Delhi. You all will manage my reinforcements, alright?
Yes, sir.
The wife of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, Hazrat Mahal, was also known as the Begum of Awadh. She was quite frustrated with the British as her husband had been exiled to Calcutta by them.
My lady, just relax. You're not in danger now. It's going to take years for the British to track you down. And don't worry, you're gifted with an unborn genius of command and organization.
It's not that. The British is at its peak. They have a very strong army which my son cannot resist. They are cheaters. They are traitors.
But my lady, what about those zealous courtiers and the rulers? They might be helpful.
They have their own problems. They can't help even if they want to. They already exiled my husband and now they are trying to kill my son. Wish the God's grace is with me. I knew this would happen. That's why I rejected the alliance and status held to me by the British. But after bearing the misfortune and misery in the period of resistance, but I'm still not assured.
Madam!
Tatya Tope, also known as Ramchandra Pandurang, was born in 1814 at the village Gola in Maharashtra. His father, Pandurang Rao Tope, was an important noble at the court of Peshwa Baji Rao II. He shifted his family with the ill-fated Peshwa to Bitur, where his son became the most intimate friend of the Peshwa's adopted son Nana Dhundu Pant, also known as Nana Sahib.
Master Nana Sahib is really angry at the British. He was really angry because the British weren't giving pension to his father. I heard the rebellion which rose is coming. We must join the rebellion. We need to support them. Do we need the British to overwhelm us?
No, sir!
Tatya Tope shifted his headquarters to Kalpi to join hands with Rani Lakshmi Bai and led a revolt in Bundelkhand. But unfortunately, he was defeated by General Rose in a memorable battle in which Rani Lakshmi Bai suffered martyrdom.
I want you to make arrangements to strengthen the city of Jhansi as soon as possible. Contact our allies and supporters too. All this should be done by the dusk.
My lady, may I know the reason why?
Britishers are trying to assault us. They're traitors, murderers. Lord Dalhousie is striving to expand, but I rejected each and every deal he gave me. And now they're trying to take advantage of my misfortune.
My lady, I surely will make all the arrangements. Everything will be right by tonight. Tatya Tope is going to be there for us, and he's definitely going to lead his force over there. And even you are sure of it.
I am. After all, it's Tatya Tope.
British troops arrived and did a land siege on Jhansi. She had to join hands with powerful forces such as Tatya Tope, but eventually she died in the war with the British, although her courage is known till today.
You may hang me today, you may hang another one tomorrow, but thousands will take our place, and the enemy will never be gained. That is what the freedom fighters told them. They were the brave generation who never feared the enemy.
The revolt might be a failure, but it has a larger impact over the nationalists, especially in the later freedom struggle in 1947. It has instilled a sense of unity, a unity of religion, tradition, which were the common problems that people faced.
The magic of unity is beyond one's imagination. We do not require a common problem to stay united because they had instilled that feeling long before in us. India, the country where we observe unity in diversity.